In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to embed a Cordova application inside Volt MX Iris. This will allow users to reuse their existing Cordova assets. This employee directory application was created using Cordova plugins. Here is the associated code for the application. In Iris, let's first enable Cordova development. This option is available under Project Settings. We can either choose a specific version of Cordova to be installed, or if Cordova is already installed on the machine globally, we can configure Iris to use that installed version by checking the Used Globally Installed Cordova checkbox. Let's import this application in Iris. Once the application is imported, all of the assets will be available under the local Cordova folder under Project Explorer. Iris provides all the capabilities required to view, edit and manage plugins in the Cordova application. More on that in the next tutorial. Let's create a form and insert a Cordova Browser widget into it. This widget allows us to use Cordova files within the web context of a Volt MX native application. We can set index.html, which is the home page for the Cordova application, as the source to the Cordova Browser widget. Once we enable JavaScript on the widget, we can see a live rendering of the HTML in the Iris canvas. The Cordova web application is now successfully embedded into our native application. Let us run this on the simulator. The build process will compile the Cordova assets, which are included in the application, using the Cordova version specified in Project Settings. We can see the application running in an emulator, compiled with the included Cordova plugins. This provides a ramp-up path for web developers to create cross-platform native applications, reusing their existing JavaScript web application code. Please refer to Volt MX documentation for more information.